Hello everyone. So few days back we had a training on this animations tool Animaker. So a few teachers requested me to create a video so that those who couldn't join, they can understand from this video. So here I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks how you can create the animations using this Animaker. So apart from this, there are a lot of videos in YouTube, some training videos which you can refer, which explains the details about this Animaker. But in this video I'm going to show how you can start creating animations using this tool. Okay. So first of all, when you open this software, you can log in. Okay, you don't need to install the software because this is a cloud-based software. Once you log in, you will have this view. Okay. So once you are here, you can see these are the options. Okay. So the key thing is that they have a lot of templates for the videos. Okay. If you can find any template matching your requirements, I think that's the best thing. Okay, but if you cannot find any template, you can start with the blank template. Okay, so what is template? Basically in animations, okay, if you do very basic way, okay, step by step, then it's going to be very complex. Okay, so Animaker has generalized few scenarios, some scenarios which are like commonly used. Okay, for example, this explainer, suppose. Let me check here, explainer. So here you can see this there's a teacher video resume. So if you preview, so this is the sample template for a teacher. If any teacher wants to introduce themselves in the social media and they want to reach out to the students, they can use this template to create their personalized ad. Okay. So like this, if you want to create some other similar things, like for employee onboarding, you can preview this template. So if there is no template, you can start with the blank. Okay. Now which scenarios we need this kind of animations, that you need to understand, right? Because before I also had a session on whiteboard Animaker. So you might be confused for your scenario whether you want to use that video scribe, that is whiteboard animation, or Animaker. So I'll just give you a simple tip. If you want to explain something, okay, some concepts or something to your audience, you can use whiteboard animations, okay, where it gives effect of drawing to a whiteboard. Okay, but if you want to explain something in like a story, okay, like some interactions between two people, or visuals, like where you have a lot of interactions between different objects, like somebody's dancing, somebody's walking, so you can use this Animaker, right? And you will understand all these things once you start using yourself, right? So you'll understand. So let me give you a simple example. So let's go back to the explainer, the example that we already checked. So this one we checked, right? So let's try to see how you can personalize your video using this, because in our case mostly people are teachers. So we'll use this template to create our own video, right? So this is taking time because it's all running in the cloud. So it's not in your computer, in your laptop, right? So that's why whatever you do, it's all running in the cloud, which you can see that your whole software is running through a browser in the Google Chrome, right? So okay, when you open this template, okay, on the left hand side there are various objects, right? First of all, there is a search button, search for properties, find a perfect match to your results of your library. Suppose here if I try to find anything, like suppose education, okay, it is giving some property, images, Jiffy. Let's check what's there in the Jiffy, right? So you can use all these things in your drawings. Okay, anyway, I don't want to use this. Let's go to next. So these are all video items. If I have to use in my template, I can use this items, okay, but I don't have to use it, so I'll just go ahead. Okay, and let me show you, suppose in case I have to use it, so how I can use. Okay, suppose this is this scene. Okay, I can click anything like this. Suppose if I add only this light, right? So this has replaced the previous scene, right? If I play this scene, you can see this scene is for 2 seconds. So at the bottom you can see 0 to 2. So this scene duration is 2 seconds. Now if I Control Z, now this scene is 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm not going to replace this scene. I'll just add a new scene. Okay, the new scene is by default all the scene comes with 10 seconds, and then I add this scene to here. Then if I play this scene, okay, this scene is for 4 seconds. So what you have done, this is your previous scene that you took from the template, right? It's taking time. Okay, sometimes it takes time because it runs in the cloud system, so you need to have patience. So this is a scene that I got from the template, and then I added this another scene which I just searched from here, video, right? This, so this scene is also for 2 seconds, but here you can see at the bottom the starting timeline is 2 seconds and the end timeline is 4 seconds, which means that this scene is also for 2 seconds. Suppose I want to increase the timing of this scene, so I can click this. You can see on the right side there is a plus sign, there is minus sign. If I want to increase, it will increase. If you click here and then scroll, so you can see your scene time is increased to 7 seconds. Now if you play, it played till 7 seconds. So I'll just take a pause here. Yeah, hi. Okay, so here you can see this. I can add any video in my videos. Okay, So the thing that you need to notice is that complete video is made up of different scenes, right? So when I use this template, so I got several scenes. Then I just took one specific scene from this another video, and then I put it in my this list of scenes, right? And then I can edit any of the scenes. Suppose in this scene I want to like edit some text, so I can just click here. Suppose this I'm Dharm, okay, like this. I can change this character. Suppose this, I don't want this guy. I mean, I have to put a male character. Sorry, I can just delete this one and put a male character here. And I want to make him like wave a hand, so like this, right? And then if I have to do anything, like suppose this color, if I want to change the skin color is this, I want to make it like this. Oh, it has become too brown. Maybe the hair color I will change a little bit. So hair I can change it to black, right, like this. And then so you can play around. I think it's quite interesting. Suppose if I want to move this person in this scene, okay, so this is the option where I can move, I can preview like this, move from here to here. If I want to move here to here, so like this. So if I play, it's like this, right? So see, I just want to explain you that you can do this kind of changes inside the scene. Okay, you can put some text. You can wait, where is that? Yeah, this is the text. You can make the text like jump. So when you click this, so this is the movement. So you can see these are the different movements. If you click this movement, so it will go like this. If you suppose if you want to make the text jump like this, right, like basketball, so you can do like this, apply. Then if you play, right. So as you use, you will learn. It's quite interesting. So in this video, I'm just going to explain the few key principles that you need to understand so that you can create your own video. And practice you need to do in your own, right? So you cannot expect that this is going to be a full detailed training. The detailed things you can understand by practice. Okay. So I'll just change the title of this video, like let me put it as demo. Okay, so suppose this scene I've changed something, then similarly this scene I can change. Suppose I want to change the background of this, right? So there is some options here, the backgrounds. I can put any background like this. Oh, that's a background for some food. Suppose this, I just change to this background, or oh, this. So anything which is in yellow star, that means that is you need upgrade. Suppose I change to this background, right? Then if you want to put any photo, suppose I add a scene, okay, wherein I have to put a photo, like some person is the story of some person, okay. So there is an option that I can set this as background. So I can take any photo and set that as background, right? And then I can add some text here. When you click on text, so there will be various this styling for the text. Suppose you want to put something, okay, maybe it's not relevant here, but anyway, just for but just for the sake of training. Okay, so you can do anything with this. Okay, you can create new scenes, and then once everything is done, you can just finish this and you can publish. You can download this complete video, and that becomes your complete video. So let me show you. Okay, what else you can input some. Okay, this was pre-built templates, and these are some videos. So suppose in any template you want to play some video. Suppose I just click a scene. Okay, this is my scene, this scene 4. This is a blank scene, and here I want to put a video. Okay, so this is the pre-built video. If I play here, let us see what is this video about. It's something about food. So you need to have patience. So you can notice as you use this video, it has a watermark at the background. So if you're using a free version, this watermark will be there, and if you want to remove that watermark, you can go for paid version. Okay, so if you want to use such videos, you can browse through the libraries of videos, or even you can upload your own video. Okay, there is an option upload here, upload button. So like this, you can upload any video from your laptop and you can use it in yours. And suppose if you want to change the background, the music. Okay, suppose sometimes you want to create animated video where you want to put some background music as well as your voiceover. You can do both. Okay, first of all, I'll explain you how you can change the music. See, add this music. So you can see this music has been added. Okay, now where it is added, you can just see below. This is the music that is added. If I play here, right, so this music which is like ancient times, you can see before moving your cursor here, you can see the time. So this music is for 3 minutes. Okay, now it depends how long you want to keep the music, where you want to move. Like this, suppose you want to move the music here, and you want to play the music only for this scene, right? This scene 4, or you want to increase this timing of this music, right? So it's up to you. So now if I play this one, both of this music will play. Okay, so I don't want that. I want to remove this previous music, so I just click that and delete. So the previous music is gone, and now if I play, right? So it depends on you what kind of music you want, or maybe suppose at the same time you also want to put your voiceover. So there is an option to record a voiceover. When you click here, record, hello, 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 right? You can preview here, record, hello, 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 right? You can apply. Once you apply, so this is your recording. Here, record, hello, 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 hello. Right, so this is your voice. Now if you play from here, it will have the background music as well as your voice. So let me play from here, you'll understand. Oh, it got stopped. Okay, so this actually I want to play, I put it in scene 4, so I have to play only scene 4, right? Hello, 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 hello. So you got it, right? So when you want to say the story yourself as you display the visuals, you can add your voiceover along with the background music. So I find this is quite interesting, and it depends on your creativity, like what kind of animations you want to use, what kind of voice you want to put, right? So I'm not going to I think creating a whole video will take time, and I don't have any story right now to say. So just for the demo, I just took some random template and tried to explain the key principles of these videos. So I hope this video was useful, and once you start practicing yourself, you'll understand each and everything. And if you face an issue, you can contact me in the daily meeting. We can discuss. Okay, then thank you very much. Thanks for joining this training. And if you want to stay tuned with our updates, you can click the bell icon